Stop scrolling for 1 minute. Imagine speaking English confidently at the barber shop, in the market, with the shopkeepers, and with your family without translating in your mind. Most people study English for years but still cannot speak in real life. Why? Because they learn grammar, not real conversations. But in this series, you are learning English exactly like daily life, step by step, sentence by sentence. And today's lesson is one of the most useful lessons for beginners because you will learn real English used in the market, barber shop, and family conversations. So stay till the end. Repeat every sentence loudly and practice with confidence. And if you truly want to improve your English speaking, support the journey by liking this video, sharing it with a friend who wants to speak English, and subscribe to Skillstack Academy because every day we are building your speaking confidence together. Now let's begin. I am going to the market today. My children are with me. My son is asking me, where are we going? We are going to the barber shop first. Do you want to come with me? Yes, I want to come with you. My daughter is saying, if he goes, then we will also go. Okay, let's go together. Now we are leaving the house. Close the door, please. Sit properly in the car. We are reaching the market now. There are many people here. The market is very busy today. Now we are entering the barber shop. Hello, barber. How are you? I want a haircut. Please cut my hair short. My son is waiting beside me. My daughters are talking together. The barber is cutting my hair. Please trim the beard also. Thank you. It looks good. Now we are leaving the barber shop. Let's buy something from the market. I want to buy some fruits. How much are these apples? These apples are very fresh. Please give me 1 kilo. What is the price of bananas? Okay, give me some bananas too. My daughter wants ice cream. Can we buy ice cream, please? Okay, but only one ice cream each. Thank you, Dad. Now we are going to another shop. I need a water bottle. Please show me a good one. This bottle looks nice. Okay, I will buy this. Now we are going back home. Everyone is feeling tired, but we are happy. Today was a good day. We enjoyed together. Now let's go home. Have a nice day.